If you're looking to host webinars with powerful analytics tools, Livestorm is the platform you need. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to leverage Livestorm's analytics features to get the most out of your webinars, whether you're hosting for marketing, training, or sales purposes. One of the standout features of Livestorm is its comprehensive analytics dashboard, which allows you to track audience engagement and behavior in real time. By using this data, you can optimize your future webinars for even better results. Let's dive right into how to use these tools. Once you're in Livestorm, you'll first want to go to the Analytics tab after your webinar is over. This is where all your attendee data is captured. You can get detailed insights about how many people registered, how many attended, and how long they stayed. This is all essential for understanding the overall performance of your webinar. But the real power of Livestorm's analytics is in how it breaks down engagement. You can see metrics such as the average attendance time, which is key to knowing whether your content is keeping your audience engaged. If you notice a drop-off at a certain point, you can use this insight to improve your content flow in future webinars. Livestorm also tracks individual attendee interactions, which means you can see which participants were most engaged. This allows you to follow up with them personally or tailor your marketing efforts to those who showed a high level of interest. Whether you're trying to close a deal or simply nurture leads, this data helps you take more personalized action. Another great feature is the ability to analyze chat interactions. You'll be able to identify the most common questions or topics of interest during the webinar, which you can use to fine-tune future sessions or create additional content that aligns with your audience's needs. Livestorm also provides detailed reports on your webinar's performance, breaking down things like attendance rates, participant engagement, and even conversions, if you're using webinars as part of your sales funnel. The data is presented in an easy-to-digest format, which means you can quickly evaluate the effectiveness of your webinar and identify areas for improvement. This detailed data is valuable because it helps you refine your webinars over time. With each new session, you'll have more insights to guide your decisions, which ultimately leads to higher quality webinars and stronger engagement with your audience. If you're new to Livestorm, the good news is that you can try all these features for free. Just click the first link below to access an exclusive free trial, plus some extra bonuses that will help you get the most out of the platform. Now, keep in mind that the real magic happens when you consistently use Livestorm's analytics tools to monitor your performance. The more you analyze your data, the more you'll learn about what works and what doesn't. It's this cycle of improvement that will help you build better webinars and stronger relationships with your audience. Remember, these analytics tools aren't just about numbers, they're about giving you actionable insights that can help you grow your webinars into powerful business assets. So, if you're serious about getting the most out of your webinars, I highly recommend diving into these analytics features as soon as you can. And don't forget, you can start using Livestorm completely free from the link below, where you'll also find an exclusive extended trial to help you get a head start. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.